A for apple.
A for apple.
Apple means
Cat.
B for ball.
B for ball.
Ball means
Game.
C for cat.
C for cat.
Cat means
Billy.
D for dog.
D for dog.
Dog means
Kutta.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Elephant means
Hathi.
F for fish.
F for fish.
Fish means
Machali.
G for grapes.
G for grape.
Grapes means
Angul.
H for hen.
F for hen.
Hen means
Mulgi.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
Ice cream means
Ice cream.
J for jug.
J for jug.
Jug means
Jug.
K for kite.
K for kite.
Kite means
Patang.
L for lion.
N for lion.
Lion means
Jail.
M for monkey.
N for monkey.
Monkey means
Bundle.
N for nest.
N for nest.
Nest means ghosla.
Gotala.
O for orange.
O for orange.
Orange means
Santara.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Parrot means tota.
Tota.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
Queen means Rani.
Rani.
R for rabbit.
I for rabbit.
Rabbit means खरगोश.
Khargosh.
S for sun.
F for sun.
Sun means सूरज. T for tiger.
T for tiger.
Tiger means cheetah.
Cheetah.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
Umbrella means छाता.
Chata.
B for vegetable.
B for vegetable.
Vegetables means सब्जी.
Sabji.
W for watch.
W for watch.
Watch means घड़ी.
What means
X for Xmas tree.
F for apple.
Xmas tree means Christmas.
Christmas.
Y for yak.
Y for dog.
Yak means yak. Z
Yak.
for zebra.
J for zebra.
Zebra means zebra.
Zebra.